Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restrict an account on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you'll need to do is open up Instagram, then you can obviously select anybody on your home feed, or you can go to your profile picture on the bottom right. Then if there's anyone you're following that you want to restrict, just click on their page, and all you need to do is select the three dots on the top right hand side, and at the top it should say restrict. So all you'll need to do is just click on there, and then I'll let you know underneath their messages and comments will be hidden and they won't be able to mention you in tags or posts. So that's how you can restrict someone on Instagram. Thanks for watching.